Hello everyone, this is Rubel from BFix. So today we are going to again unbox a TV box, and this TV box is from a special company, and we will see what kind of feature this TV box has, what it does, what is the capability of this thing, why it is better than the market available, all of the market available TV boxes. So let's get started. But before that, please make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. So tada, this is the box. I haven't been opened it yet. So it's an intake box. We'll see what's inside. Surprise box. Whoa. This is an Intex Apple TV box. You can see this is an Apple TV box, Intake box, 4K TV, and it is 32 gigabyte. It has 32 gigabytes of ROM. That's mean the storage, and it has 4K and HDR support. Okay, there are many other things that I will describe one by one. What kind of feature does it has, but the basic overall is it's an Apple TV. It is released in 2021, and this model is basically A2169, and this one is a 4K 60 FPS capable Apple TV. It has Wi-Fi 6, and it has many other features, so we'll go one by one. So but before that, let's go by whatever it is. Using this, you can have, as per Apple, you can have an ultimate cinematic experience. It supports Apple TV Plus, Netflix, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Prime Video, YouTube. Okay, it doesn't support Hulu or any other channel here. It's not written, but probably you can download all of those applications. It supports HomePod. I have an Amazon Alexa. I will see, like, can I pair my Amazon Alexa with it, but hopefully I will it will be available. I can pair. It supports AirPlay, so you can do the AirPlay from the Apple tab and mobile phones. I have AirPods, so probably I'll check out does the AirPod connects with this device. It says it connects with this device, and that's it. So basically you can connect this to the TV box, and then you can listen everything whenever your partner is sleeping using the personal audio. Okay, so let's unbox this thing. This is a really nice TV box. So peeling is always fun. So there you can see that CE, that means it's an European standard TV, and here we are using European standard, so that should be fine. The model number is usual MZ9N3LL-A. Okay, look at that, look at that. So this looks awesome. Now, as usual, the Apple open system. Their box are always awesome. So here, slowly coming up. Yes. So there is nothing inside. It's just a clean box. Then this TV box, you can see it's very like fresh, intact. It has covers, it has everything, you can see. Then it has the power cable, the power cord, and I think there is an HDMI cable also, so let me check it out. This is fun to open, you know, the Apple product always they really consider how those cable will be wired and what it is. Looks like they did not give me any kind of HDMI cable. That's fine, I have HDMI, but probably I don't have 4K 2.1, so I have to check. But overall this is the cable, and here, oh, peeling sound. Do you guys want to hear that one, the peeling sound? But before that we'll do the peeling sound, but before that let's open that one. So as usual, the Apple sticker for Apple fans. There is in my YouTube channel there are like review for MX-Q Pro. I usually use MX-Q Pro, but suddenly I feel like, okay, why don't try out a good one, the market standard, the best of best in class, just to see how it goes. So I bought this Apple TV just to compare my MX-Q Pro. I did lots of mod on my MX-Q Pro that I did not expose to the people yet. I'm planning to do those video review later on if you guys subscribe my channel. Otherwise no, for sure. Okay, so this TV box, now I'll go one by one the features, what kind of features this TV box has. Okay, this is superb, no? It is ingenious. The TV box is awesome. Apple TV box looks good, heavy, built tight. So let me go through the features, what kind of feature this TV box has. For the features, I'll go one by one. This is a 2021 second generation model, and this one comes with two variation, either 32 GB or 64 gig. I bought the 32 gig. Then it has its model number is, as I have mentioned, A2169. It supports 4K up to 60 FPS. It supports HDR for sure. It has HDMI 2.1. Now that is the catch. Usually HDMI 1.4 is capable of doing 4K video streaming from device, Blu-ray or whatever to your TV. But the catch is the 1.4 basically support only up to 24 FPS. Okay, but 2.1 support 60 FPS HDMI. And if you think about the bit rate, that means how much data it can transfer through the HDMI from your Apple TV to your Apple TV box to the TV, it differs. For 1.4 it is around, give or take, 10 Gbps, that means gigabit per second. Okay, and for 2.0 it is higher, it is like 2 times around, it was like 18 gigabit per second, but 2.1 is like 2 times, it is like 48 gigabit per second. So that's the benefit of 2.1 HDMI. So you can send very high resolution video, high quality video with lots of pixels, lots of colors, dimension to your TV if your TV is capable of it. Okay, so that's why Apple is using 2.1. Now it has Wi-Fi 6. It's not normal traditional Wi-Fi, but it has Wi-Fi 6 on it. So Wi-Fi 6 is high rate, high capable video transfer. It does everything. Altogether it's also support MIMO. So what MIMO does basically supports multiple user connecting to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so at a time you can basically do efficiently very high resolution, high bitrate video send and even download using the Wi-Fi 6 and MIMO. And it supports simultaneous dual band for the Wi-Fi. That means this Apple TV has Wi-Fi of 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, but at a time both of them are active. It's not one, and at a time you can basically connect to both of them, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. So probably if you have in your home two Wi-Fi router, one is capable of 2.4 gigahertz, you connect to the 2.4 gigahertz, and you have a better router which support Wi-Fi which support 5 gigahertz, you connect to 5 gigahertz. So at a time you can basically use both of them. So that's the benefit of this dual band simultaneous 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz support. And HDR is basically for high resolution, high definition resolution, colorful video frame showing. So it has HDR support, and moreover it has a Dolby Vision. Okay, so what is the benefit of Dolby Vision over 4K? 4K is already high resolution, high bitrate. So what is the benefit of this Dolby Vision? Dolby Vision makes the video color more enhanced using the Dolby's Vision technology. So it's an Dolby's proprietary technology which Apple integrated and use it, and it has BLE 5.0. So this BLE 5.0, using BLE 5.0 you can connect simultaneously multiple device on it. Your Android phone, iPhone, you can do AirPlay, you can do many other things. So main benefit is you can do AirPlay in high bit rate as it has Bluetooth 5.0. It also has IR support. That means you can use IR remote also if you don't want to use the Bluetooth remote. So overall that's what this device has. I hope you like the video. I hope you'll get the idea what kind of feature it has. The build technology, build mechanism, build quality is Apple quality, so you can see it's very good. There is a fan, the exhaust from the back side, it is little bit like, you can see that there is, if you put this thing in your hand, there is a little bit of gap, so ventilation is happening really well. It has WLAN, so it supports WLAN. It has HDMI, and there is only power cable. Okay, so that's it. That's what all it has. Okay, and it has IR and Bluetooth, as you know. So that's it. That's all for this today's video. I hope you like my video, like my review, and if you feel like it and wants to hear or see many more videos like that, please make sure to like and subscribe my channel. I'll also try to put a video next with how to set this up, connect to my Sony TV and stream from it really 4K high resolution video. Bye bye everyone. Good night.